Welcome to our comparison of two popular Corsair RAM kits, the Vengeance LPX DDR4 and the Vengeance RGB DDR5. Today, we will dive into their specifications, performance, and design features to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The Corsair Vengeance LPX utilizes DDR4 technology, which is widely compatible and offers a reliable performance for most users. In contrast, the Corsair Vengeance RGB features the latest DDR5 technology, providing significantly higher speeds and improved performance for modern gaming and intensive applications. This makes the DDR5 RAM a better choice for high-end builds, while the DDR4 remains a solid option for budget-conscious users. When it comes to speed, the Corsair Vengeance LPX operates at 3,200 MHz, which is adequate for most tasks, but falls short for high-performance gaming and content creation. On the other hand, the Corsair Vengeance RGB RAM boasts an impressive speed of 6,000 MHz, making it ideal for gamers and professionals who demand the best performance from their systems. This difference in speed can significantly impact overall system performance, especially in memory-intensive applications. Aesthetically, the Corsair Vengeance LPX RAM has a sleek black design but lacks RGB lighting, which may appeal to users looking for a more understated look. In contrast, the Corsair Vengeance RGB RAM features vibrant 10-zone RGB lighting, allowing users to customize the look of their build with dynamic lighting effects. This makes the RGB RAM not only a high-performance choice, but also a visually striking one for gamers and PC enthusiasts. In conclusion, both the Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 and the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM offer unique advantages depending on your needs. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution with solid performance, the LPX is a great choice. However, if you want cutting-edge speed and stunning RGB aesthetics, the RGB DDR5 is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.